Hey guys, welcome to Theater Advice. I don't do a lot of this stuff, but I had this in a box, so I figured for the unboxing crowd, I would unbox it. I didn't have a box cutter because I normally just tear this stuff apart, but we're gonna use this old architecture, I don't even know what this is called, scaling ruler, I think that's what it's called. I've used that thing for years. So this is the Brane X speaker. This thing is really crazy. They showcased at CEDIA. I didn't go this year. I sent one of my guys there, but this thing is really awesome. So it's got a built-in subwoofer. Unlike a sub driver, it's got an actual built-in subwoofer. It's a 9-inch driver. It's only 6 inches tall by 9 by 7, so it's really, really small. It's kind of like other counterparts in the market. Fully IP57 waterproof. It's got a really powerful amplifier, goes up to 200 watts, drops to 27 hertz. So it's really, really cool. They brought me this thing after CEDIA, and they wanted me to look at it. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it was free. I don't know why that matters, but I'll just say it. People give me stuff sometimes. But I didn't do the review because it was free, because I'll be honest, if it sucked, and I think we know this about me by now, they have these cool stickers. If it sucked, I would have said no, or I would have told them to take it or something, because it's useless waste of time for me. But it didn't suck. It's not audiophile. It lacks a little bit in the highs, and I told them that, and they kind of agree, but not in a way that I wouldn't buy it, because it's only $4.99. So this thing for $4.99 is killer. First of all, it's super heavy. I mean, I say heavy. It's probably 15, 17 pounds. I mean, it's not like a light piece of garbage, you know? It's really boxed really well. It's got a lot of casing around it and stuff like that. So it's actually really boxed really well. Really cool packaging. It'd be such a cool gift for somebody. I feel like this is a cool gift idea. I'll just leave that here. Before the videographer's like, do you want to clean your desk? I'm like, no, we work here. We actually do audio video here. This is not for YouTube. Do people, this is what my kids do. That's what happens there. My kids watch this stuff too, so now you know. Now you know how this feels. This is how professional it is when you do this to my house. So let's see here. Really nice power cable, grounded power cable, huge power block. Obviously only for charging though. You don't have to leave it on it, but it'll charge fast because of this. It's like an actual laptop battery pack. This thing's, charger pack. The thing's really, really heavy duty. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes. So Irish. Everything is meat and potatoes. All right, so I don't know 100% how I feel about this handle. I understand why the handle's there. I don't know how I feel about the handle though. So, you know, I feel like if it had like a little grip to make you look cooler when you're carrying it around, I mean, you're gonna look like Dorothy, like swinging this thing around. But I get it, it's kind of like nifty. It does hide and it does remove. So if you're really offended by it, you can just remove it or whatever. But this thing's really cool. So it slides back here. What do they call this, the kids? ASMR? This is some, oh, it's like when you take that off your phone for the first day. Yeah. It wasn't as exciting as the kids make it actually, but whatever. I'm actually gonna clean up after myself because I'm kind of like that. I can't handle messes. So this guy's really amazing. It's got the charging port on the back, power cable, an auxiliary to plug things in. It's super, super beefy. So the sub's on the bottom. So it's kind of funny, if you put it on something, it sounds a little bit better than if you carry it around. But this thing filled my whole showroom. So if you watch the showroom video I just did before this, it filled the whole showroom, which is 1,500 square feet, with bass. So if you're looking for, this is like the Beats version of like a Sonos or something like that. It's not, you know, for the audiophiles, but at $4.99 it shouldn't be. You're paying for a lot of magnet from what I can tell, and it's really neat. I mean, you can just take this to the hot tub, put it next to the hot tub, splash it, all of that stuff, which is a pretty big deal, actually. Down to 27 hertz, 200 watts of amplification. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is not your grandma's, but actually, from the 80s. It's not that comfortable. That used to be cool. Used to be able to, it was more like way up here, but you could get after it. You could get after it with a boombox. It probably had less bass than this thing, which is really funny. Technology has come a long way. I'll try to put up some pictures that if they have them online of kind of the make of it, like the innards and stuff like that. I'm not gonna go and like pry it open because it's my demo and they gave it to me to actually sell this thing. But I think this is a really, really cool gift. I mean, it's not like the other stuff that we have in here that's, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars and tens of thousands of dollars and all the stuff that excites me. But this did excite me because it's $4.99. So you can put a couple of these around your house. They're not ugly, but you can put them around the house and have some pretty good video, pretty good audio. So you could just stream to it from your phone and, you know, Bluetooth and things like that. So I think it's just really, really special piece. And I think everybody should buy it for $4.99. And I don't get any money for telling you that, actually. That part's the truth. He brought it in. I thought it was rad. I'm probably going to give it away to a bunch of my high-end clients every once in a while. And just because it's just such a cool little thing to be like, hey, dude, just take this. You don't have to turn your whole, you know, landscape audio system on sometimes if you're just out there with your wife or whatever. You can just grab this guy and just go outside and stick it next to you, smoke cigars at the fire pit, and it does the job. It's room filling or area filling bass, which is what they were going for. The feet on it are interesting to me. I think they do that because of the bass, but I don't know if you can see that, but it moves around like a ½ inch. It doesn't like just sit on rubber and be like, ooh, you know, it's like, I don't know. It bounces. What are you gonna do? It's pretty rad. I really like it. I think you should get one or go listen to one, because if you have a need for a portable audio thing, which I think everyone kind of does, you can take this on the boat, you can take it to the beach, you could take it everywhere. I mean, it's really cool. So I wouldn't put it in my suitcase because it's heavy. So you're gonna hit that weight limit real quick. But besides that, this thing's cool. Brane X, I see why they were causing such a buzz. I see why they're going around giving this thing to dealers, I'll be honest with you. I mean, you gotta be pretty confident about your stuff to go around to dealers and be like, here, take one. They didn't even tell me to do a review. They just said, I think you should take it and you're gonna love it and you'll sell it. I just decided to do a review on it because they gave it to me and it didn't suck. And so when it doesn't suck and the price doesn't suck, then it's time to, you know, shell out some money. So I'm glad they gave me one because I'm probably gonna ask for another one for my house. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys can find one of these things because it's pretty rad. See ya. Just kidding. Because I'm unscripted, and I probably should stop doing that at some point, my videographer asked me, because he likes this thing and he was asking about the battery life. That's important, and I skipped it. It's one of the more important things. This will last 12 hours. Now, I haven't tested it, so I can't tell you it does last 12 hours. I bet it lasts 9 or 8 because the thing really kind of gets after it, if I'm being honest with you. So I feel like at full volume with the subwoofer pumping and the amplifier, that if it goes 12 hours, I'm gonna be pretty shocked. But hey, I say get one and test it because it's pretty badass. Besides that, you know, I bet it lasts like 8 or 9 hours, and that's still a long time. So even though I'm not testing it and they're gonna be like, hey, it does last 12 hours, how come you said that? You know, I'm just basically saying, look, even if it lasted 8 hours, it's still worth $4.99. But you know, I'd be hard pressed to think anything lasts 12 hours if it's just kind of getting after it like a nightclub. So yeah, so still, again, you should buy one, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you for listening to whatever I was just rambling about. And of course, if you are in the Dallas area or surrounding areas and you can get here, visit our showrooms in Frisco or South Lake location. And now we can help you anywhere, from anywhere in the country through the world's first mom and pop shop on the internet called FCAVsystems.com. We are very excited about this project. We're happy to bring what Theater Advice does here in Texas to everyone. Thanks for watching.